Marinestream is ostensibly a software platform that operates on the internet and it allows multiple people to collaborate on a job. The jobs that we work on with Marinestream are often underwater. So what we do with Marinestream is using Deep Trekker ROVs. We can then stream the footage from the ROVs into a shared platform in a secure setting that allows experts from all over the world to collaborate in real time. The sort of work we're doing is the work that would traditionally be done in dry dock, but we can now bring that to the underwater work environment, such as cleaning hulls, managing biofouling and engineering tasks. We are operating to be able to assess in real time the level of fouling that's on the boat. And so while we're moving through the vessel, we're having an engineer or a biologist speak and talk about the level of fouling, talk about the state of the equipment that we're viewing. And that's all being captured in real time by an operator. Historically, most of the eyes underwater would come from a commercial diver's helmet. However, with the advent and the improvements of underwater robotics and ROVs, we have a much safer, much more economic option of putting a camera or eyes underwater attached to a robot.